Okay, the beginning step, we can choose the rotate rectangle and make the around 15 meter, and the depth is around 10 meter approximately. Then we can click this surface and push it up again. We can use the around 4 meter in here. Then we can select my group, and then we can make the space in here. We can make the space, and also we can push it until to the behind. Okay, and then we can make the rectangle in here and push it up like this, and push it to the front in here, and just triple click and make group. And then we can make the another diagonal line. We can make the diagonal line to make it more sophisticated, to make it more sophisticated face in here. So we can make this edge in here and on this position, and then we can also make the glazing like this in here. Okay, and we can click the line in here. Okay, maybe we can push it until to this position or not, it's depend on us. And then okay, we can select the glazing materials. We can use the blue glazing materials to make this one. Okay, this is a cornering glazing, and also the diagonal window in here, diagonal window on the luxurious house in here. Okay, just like this. And then we can also push it to the front in here, just like this, or we can just push it to the behind on this position in here. And then we can make the another landscaping in here. We can draw the landscape, or we can make a landscape at a lower. Okay. We can just make this one, make group. Okay, now we can assign the materials with using the grass materials over there, just like this. And then we can put the door in here, and just put the glazing in here to be access of the door, and this is also the railing in here. Okay, so we can make the railing. We can move it up around 1.2 meter in here, and also in there, in this position. Okay, don't forget to make group and select the glazing, and we can also change the surfaces to be in-depth surfaces out there. Then we can make the rectangle in here and push it down. Okay, this is about the pavement or landscaping in here. So we have to consider, we have to assign with the another materials with using this one. Then we can make the entrance floor in here. Okay, then we can make the door, the another door anyway. We can make the another door. Okay, and then we can select the color. We can select the coloring in here, and okay, we can assign about the coloring, about the wall coloring over there in here. Okay, we can assign in this position, and okay, and it's done. And then we can select the another materials like this one, and then we can assign with this one, and we can put the palm tree in here. Okay, I think it's need more lower than this one. Okay. Okay, now we can move a duplicate about the vehicle in here. We can put it in this position. Okay, we can make the another we can make the another like a canopy with the dark canopy over there in this position. Make group, and select the dark color in here. Okay, and then we can also put the another stone covering in here. And we have to push it to the front again in here, and maybe we can make it the little skylight in here like this. Okay, then we can also assign with another stone materials in here. Okay, just like this. Okay, and we can also activate the body shadow to make it more highlight well. Okay, and it's done. Okay, thanks for watching, and I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and just wait for my next tutorial. Thank you.